How to install CinemaHD app on your Firestick. Before you can install this, what you have to do is simply enable the apps from a known source setting on your device. Now, after that, the main thing you have to follow is you will see follow these steps exactly on your PC. Turn on your Firestick, open the downloader. In the URL field, type or download the link for the latest app, that is CinemaHD. Go to start and download the app file and wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, the prompt will ask you to open it without any issue, or you have to allow some of the permissions from your PC on this application. So a pop-up asks if you want to delete the app or choose delete to save space on your Firestick. So this is how you can do it. Now, how to install using ES File Explorer. Open the ES File Explorer on your Firestick, navigate to the Downloader section within ES File Explorer. Click on the option to add new source, enter the URL, and once the download is complete, open the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the installation of CinemaHD app using ES File Explorer. Thank you so much for watching this video.